Tammy Slaton has once again sent shockwaves through the fanbase of TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters after dropping a major hint that Season 8 might not be happening following her incredible transformation and recovery from her much-talked-about skin removal surgery. Viewers who have been following her journey since the very first season know how far she has come, both physically and emotionally, and while the progress is undeniably inspiring, the latest speculation has left fans divided about the show's future and what it means for the Slaton family's ongoing reality TV chapter. For years, Tammy's life revolved around cameras capturing every high and low, from her struggles with food addiction and mobility issues to her emotional battles with self-image, relationships, and health crises. Alongside her sister Amy, she became a household name, and their raw, unfiltered personalities drew audiences from all over the world. However, the success of the show has always been heavily tied to Tammy's dramatic storyline, and now that she has turned her life around in ways many thought would ever happen, the big question looming is whether there is still enough to tell in another season. Fans who have followed her post-surgery updates on TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms have noticed a shift in how she carries herself. Tammy is no longer the woman struggling to breathe on oxygen or confined to a wheelchair. Instead, she is now a proud survivor of extreme obesity, someone who took on the biggest challenge of her life and not only survived but flourished. The skin removal surgery, a procedure many patients undergo after extreme weight loss, has been the cherry on top of her transformation journey, removing the excess skin that weighed her down physically and mentally. With that victory achieved, Tammy's tone in interviews and online appearances has shifted, suggesting she is ready to move on from the constant gaze of reality TV and instead focus on living life more privately. While TLC has not made any official announcements about Season 8, Tammy's own words have fueled rumors that the show may be coming to a natural end. During a recent livestream Q&A, she hinted that after her big surgery and recovery, she doesn't feel the same need to keep putting every moment of her personal life on screen. She expressed gratitude for the platform that 1000 LB Sisters gave her but also implied that some chapters in life are meant to close. This candid remark sparked a flurry of reactions, with many fans begging for more seasons while others agreed that Tammy deserves to step out and enjoy life without cameras following her. The speculation is even more significant when considering how TLC has structured the show over the years. The network thrives on high-stakes drama and emotional cliffhangers, and with Tammy's health stabilizing, the level of tension that once kept viewers glued to their screens might not be as intense. For TLC executives, the reality is that a show's survival depends on storytelling that captivates audiences, and Tammy's ongoing stability could ironically make the series less gripping. On the flip side, some argue that Tammy's new life could bring a different kind of inspiration. Instead of highlighting near-death hospitalizations, addiction relapses, or family blow-ups, the show could pivot to showcase her thriving post-weight loss lifestyle, navigating newfound independence, pursuing relationships in a healthier way, and becoming a voice for others struggling with obesity. The inspirational angle could be just as powerful, but it might not align with TLC's usual programming formula, which tends to lean heavily on chaos and conflict. Another layer to this is Amy Slaton's own trajectory. As Tammy's younger sister, Amy has gone through her own weight loss transformation while balancing motherhood and personal struggles. Fans love her humor, but her storylines have also shifted away from the health journey to more domestic content. Without Tammy's high-stakes medical battles, many worry that Amy's family-centered storyline alone may not be enough to carry an entire season. Together, the sisters' arcs once balanced each other, but with Tammy's stability and Amy's life turning more private, the hook that brought in millions of viewers might not be strong enough to justify Season 8. Tammy's skin removal surgery itself was a huge milestone. For years viewers had seen her confined by her body, struggling with basic movements, and sometimes fighting for her life in hospital rooms. The idea of Tammy being strong enough and healthy enough to undergo such a surgery seemed unthinkable during the earlier seasons. But thanks to her commitment, medical team, and weight loss success, the procedure became possible, marking the moment many fans believed would never arrive. Following the surgery, Tammy shared glimpses of her recovery process, showing herself walking more confidently, moving with less pain, and radiating a level of self-assurance that fans had never seen before. Her glow-up has been celebrated worldwide, but it also makes her storyline feel more like a happily ever after than an ongoing saga. The irony is that reality TV thrives on struggle, and with the struggle reduced, the stakes of the show may have diminished. Fans are divided into two camps. One group who insists that Tammy's recovery is the perfect setup for a fresh and inspiring new chapter, and another group who believes the story has run its course and should be left on a high note. On social media, heated debates break out daily, with hashtags like #keep1000L sisters and #TammyDeservesPeace trending as fans argue about the show's fate. Meanwhile, Tammy herself seems less interested in these debates, choosing instead to share positive updates, funny videos, and moments of self-love. Her silence on Season 8 has been telling. While she hasn't outright confirmed its cancellation, she also hasn't fueled excitement for its return, something she used to do when new seasons were in the works. If Season 8 truly doesn't happen, it would mark the end of an era not only for Tammy and Amy but also for TLC's brand of raw, unfiltered reality storytelling. 1000 LB Sisters wasn't just a show about weight, it was a cultural phenomenon that exposed viewers to the harsh realities of food addiction, medical struggles, and family drama while also delivering moments of humor and heart. Tammy's infamous stubbornness, Amy's playful energy, and the family's small-town dynamics combined into a cocktail of drama that viewer couldn't look away from. Without it, TLC would be losing one of its most impactful reality series. But perhaps this is what Tammy has wanted all along, a life where she isn't defined solely by her weight, her struggles, or her family drama. With her new body and newfound health, Tammy has the opportunity to redefine herself outside of TLC's cameras. She could pursue public speaking, write a memoir, collaborate with health and fitness brands, or simply live quietly with her loved ones. In her hints about the show's possible end, there seems to be both relief and pride. She knows she has given the world her most vulnerable moments, and now she may feel it is time to reclaim her privacy. Industry insiders suggest that even if TLC doesn't move forward with a full Season 8, they may still explore spin-offs or special episodes focusing on Tammy's recovery journey or milestone moments in Amy's life. Networks rarely walk away from a franchise that continues to generate buzz, and the Slayton sisters still have a dedicated fan base. Whether that comes in the form of a short special, a streaming documentary, or occasional updates remains to be seen. For now, what is clear is that Tammy has reclaimed her life in ways that seemed impossible just a few years ago. Her transformation from being a mobile independent to walking independently and showing off her post-surgery figure is nothing short of miraculous. Whether or not TLC continues to document her journey, Tammy's story has already cemented its place in reality TV history. The potential end of 1000 LB Sisters after Season 7 would certainly leave a hole in TLC's lineup, but it may also serve as the perfect conclusion to a story of resilience, growth, and triumph. If Season 8 never happens, fans will remember Tammy not for her struggles but for her remarkable ability to rise above them. Her hint about the show ending may not just be a tease but a declaration of freedom from the constant spotlight. At the end of the day, whether the show continues or not, Tammy Slayton has already achieved her greatest victory. Her health, her independence, and her happiness matter more than ratings or reality TV drama. And maybe, just maybe, that is the kind of ending her story always deserved. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.